Good afternoon and welcome to 3070 Rotary Way in the fabulous community of Alton Village here in North Burlington. My name is Lou Volk and I'm with Guaranteed Real Estate Services, where your home is sold, guaranteed, or we'll buy it. This property is a great condo for first-time buyers or those people that are downsizing. It's available for sale today. Give me a call at 905-332-2207. It's not on MLS. If you want to get our hot properties before they go MLS and before anybody else gets a chance, you can call me direct. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. There's more pictures and infos and videos coming. Thanks for watching.
And how we support them is that on every home that we sell, a portion of our commission goes directly to Juravinsky. So if you're thinking of making a move, call us. You're going to get great service and you're going to help cancer patients. So give us a call at 905-332-2207 and have yourself a great day.